Welcome to your gentle and effective resistance band workout, perfect for beginners and those looking for a low-impact routine, brought to you by Lena AI. Don't worry if you don't have a band. You can do these exercises without bands if you like. We're starting with a side step squat. Place the resistance band just above your knees, ensuring it's flat and snug. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, chest up, and core gently engaged. Take a comfortable step to the side, lowering into a shallow squat as you do. Keep gentle tension on the band, pushing your knees out slightly to prevent them from caving in. Return to the starting position with control, then repeat on the other side. Focus on engaging your glutes and outer thighs. Maintain a steady, comfortable pace for 45 seconds. Great job! Now let's transition to our next exercise, the modified plank walkout. This move will gently challenge your core and upper body strength. Begin standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. The resistance band should be removed for this exercise. Slowly hinge at your hips, reaching your hands towards the floor, bending your knees as needed. Walk your hands forward, one at a time, until you reach a modified plank position with your knees on the floor. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to knees, and your core is gently braced. Hold the modified plank briefly, then reverse the movement by walking your hands back towards your feet. Stand up fully, gently squeezing your glutes at the top. Repeat this fluid motion for 45 seconds. Fantastic work! Next up, we're gently targeting your abs with a modified sit-up. Get ready to feel that core engagement. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. You can place your hands across your chest. Gently engage your core to lift your head and shoulders slightly off the floor. Focus on pulling your belly button towards your spine as you curl up just a little. Avoid pulling on your neck. Slowly lower back down with control. Continue for 30 seconds. Excellent. Now let's move to the alternating bent knee heel drop, another great core exercise. This one requires gentle precision. Lie on your back, knees bent at a 90-degree angle and shins parallel to the floor. Keep your lower back gently pressed into the mat. Slowly lower one heel towards the floor, tapping it lightly. Bring that leg back to the starting position, then alternate to the other side. Maintain core stability throughout, preventing your lower back from arching. Keep going for 30 seconds. You're doing great. Time for the glute bridge, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your glutes and hamstrings. Grab your resistance band again. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Place the resistance band just above your knees. Gently press your lower back into the floor. Engage your glutes and gently lift your hips off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Push your knees slightly outwards against the band. Hold at the top for a moment, gently squeezing your glutes, then slowly lower your hips back down with control. Avoid letting your hips sag. Repeat this movement for 45 seconds. Almost there. Our final exercise is the wall push-up, perfect for gently strengthening your arms and chest. You won't need the band for this one. Stand facing a sturdy wall, about arm's length away. Place your hands on the wall, slightly wider than shoulder width apart, at chest height. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Gently bend your elbows, leaning your body towards the wall until your nose almost touches it. Keep your core engaged and elbows pointing slightly downwards. Push back to the starting position, using your chest and arm muscles. Maintain control throughout the movement. For an easier modification, stand closer to the wall. Continue for 30 seconds. You crushed it. That's a complete, gentle resistance band workout. Remember to cool down and stretch after every session. Keep up the amazing work, stay consistent, and you'll see wonderful results. Until next time, keep moving gently and stay strong.